Over 16,000 children and teenagers develop cancer each year in North America. We need to understand, why are those teenagers getting cancer? What is their risk for developing cancer? Why? So we can one day prevent cancer in children. The remarkable thing about elephants is that they're so large, 100 times the size of people. And they live for so long, 50, 60, sometimes even 80 years. And with that many cells in their body living so long, they almost never, ever get cancer. What we're trying to understand is, how is that even possible? What is it that allows the elephants to be protected from cancer? When I first came to the Ringling Brothers Center for Elephant Conservation, I was completely blown away. Where else can you see so many elephants taken such good care of, all living together as one of the largest herds, if not the largest herds, in North America? For me, as a doctor, trying to understand cancer, trying to learn from elephants, this was amazing. This was exactly what our research needed.
I'm so excited to be here at our Ringling Brothers Center for Elephant Conservation to announce our partnership with Dr. Joshua Schiffman and Primary Children's Hospital in Salt Lake City, where we're studying the low rates of cancer in elephants and how children with cancer might benefit from that.
20 years ago, we established the Ringling Brothers Center for Elephant Conservation in order to make sure that these incredible Asian elephants didn't go extinct in North America. And the center was really established for the reproduction, retirement, and the study of the Asian elephant. Little did I think, 20 years later, that we'd be here talking about the elephants and what we found out, the low incidence of cancer in elephants, and how can that help possibly fight cancer in children across the world. We're proud to announce this now, and Dr. Schiffman's research is being published, and we're happy to make the entire herd, which is the largest herd of Asian elephants in North America, available for this study.
We wanted to understand, why don't elephants get cancer? But in order to do that, we needed to partner with a place that would be able to provide us the samples that we needed to study in the laboratory. Here at the CEC, elephant blood draws are done on a weekly routine basis as part of maintaining the animal's health. You know, Dr. Settles, drawing this blood is really key to our research. The fact that you're able to take these samples from an elephant is just an unbelievable opportunity for us. Where else can I go as a doctor taking care of children to actually get elephant samples? These big elephants hardly ever get cancer, and we're trying to unlock those secrets. And the key is in that blood draw. What's the most amazing thing is, you guys are drawing this blood already as part of the maintenance of these elephants and keeping them healthy and making sure their hormones are in balance. So it's so easy to just tack on a little bit extra, doesn't hurt the elephant at all, and we can rush it back to our labs in Utah, and we can try to unlock these secrets, try to understand, why don't these big majestic animals get cancer, and how can we help children and families with that information?
This needle is a very small needle. This is actually the size needle I'd use for, say, a large dog. Okay. So very tiny needle, very large elephant. So no, they're quite used to this actually. Blood draws are a routine procedure for these guys. The ears are a really good place to pull blood because the animals regulate their body temperature through their ears to some extent. So the veins are really close to the surface and fairly easy to see. So insert the needle into the vein, and then the blood comes through the butterfly and into the tube. And as you can see, she didn't even flinch, she hardly even noticed.
This is just the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Yes, as you can see, she's very relaxed. Trudy's right there, she trusts Trudy implicitly. She's just hanging out while we're getting our job done.
And again, where else can I, as a researcher taking care of human patients, ever get access to this type of blood to study and understand back in the laboratory?
Ringling Brothers Barnum & Bailey and the Feld Family Foundation have contributed $250,000 to this incredible research, and we are just getting started. Over the next 50 cities that we play with Ringling Brothers Barnum & Bailey, we are going to be contributing another $10,000 each and every week in every city we play to go to this incredible research and hopefully finding a cure for pediatric cancer. Every family has been affected by cancer. And it's incredible to us to believe that what we've been committed to throughout our family's history is supporting other families. And now we're going to have an even deeper and more impactful way to do that through Dr. Joshua Schiffman's research that connects elephants to the treatment for pediatric cancer. We are contributing $10,000 to a children's hospital in each local community that Ringling Brothers Barnum & Bailey plays over the next 50 cities. We're also going to be able to bring our performers to the children's hospitals so that the families that can't possibly get to a Ringling Brothers event are able to have Ringling Brothers come to them.
Hi, Kelsey. How are you today? Good. I've got some special guests who wanted to come in and meet you.
I'm Alana.
So let me explain why I've brought the Feld family with me to meet you today. And it has to do with some of our pediatric cancer research.
Humans, like why are we looking at humans why are we looking at animals to solve our human problems?
Yeah.
We have a commitment to them for their entire life cycle.
Mm-hmm. Now, do you know what type of cancer it is?
I've been obtaining blood samples from elephants to understand why they
The
die.
other boys aren't missing school. And our family is actually...
And then I'll hook up to your chemo.
Here, do me a favor.
It's on the first.
1 second.
It's like towards the south side. Yeah.
Yeah, I might grab food on my way back. Thanks.
Take a look in the...
Hi, Kristen. How are you doing? Hi, Kristen. Calvin. And do you know when your birthday it is?
January 9th.
Good job. Do you remember what year you were born? It's okay if you don't.
All right, I'll come back and check on it just a little bit after I get a report from my other patients, okay?
Okay.
All right, buddy, we'll be back in a bit.
Okay, thanks. See ya. Have a good night, Kate. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, I know.
Any allergies to medications?
Nope.
Wear by chance? We do. Is that a dry diaper?
One of the proteins looks like it goes with the P53 that we normally see.
Blood and some PBS, and then we're going to pour it over.
There's the right in there. This is what keeps Lisa and I going, and Trent and everyone that we have growing, the circus elephants Tonka, Mabel, Luna, and Assad. From dying to fix it and repair it, which is what's going on here, right? That was a shock to us. We had to repeat it.